Dear friends, in this picture you can see the first, second and third generation of the great leaders of Tata. Jamshedji, JRD and Ratan. They are really the backbone of Indian economy. They are the patriots who started when the British Raj was in India, and with their full measure of devotion and passion and love for the Indians, they started hundreds of the business in India. Of course, they were frustrated by the existing government in various ways because they were really having socialistic pattern of Indian democracy. But still, Ratan Tata has taken the Tata Group of Industries to a new heights and new level. Besides doing business, he has been a philanthropic power of personality, always having love for the mankind, particularly the Indians, sisters and brothers, and the way he has donated in his Tata Trust millions of Indian rupees, that is really praiseworthy. And so one of the best dreams of my life has to see Ratan Tata if I can get an opportunity. Of course, he is in my heart, like Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, because these are two great friends together, because you can see the hotel industry is really having joint venture with GVK Group of Industries and Tata Group of Industries. GVK sir has got lot of hotels in India, and there you will see always Taj Banjara, Taj Krishna, Taj Deccan, Taj Chandigarh, Taj Chennai, Taj Bombay. Everywhere you will find his name. So also I have a passion for Ratan Tata. But dear friends, with these wonderful contributions of this family of Tata, I want to really inspire you. They have no monopoly over this. Even the Ambani brothers came very strongly. Even the Mahindra came very strongly. The Birla came strongly. And so many great families have really contributed to building Indian economy. Now my sisters and daughters, my brothers and nephews and sons, it's your time. Lives of great men all remind us we can make our life sublime, and departing leave behind us footprints on the sands of time. They were dreamers, they have vision, they have ideals, they have prophecy, and they were committed. They never give up. With desire, determination, commitment, passion and willpower, they persevere, they persist. They trod down all difficulties, dangers and all frustrating moments which was imposed from time to time from the various systems in India. But they never quit, never give up. Learn all those traits of greatness. You also set a definite purpose in your life. Work day and night. Visualize and then actualize. Seek the advice of the best brains, but be ready to sacrifice everything. With the attitude of win and perish, victor, dead, do or die. Tremendous belief and faith in your own gifted power of the mind. The intelligent substance, what is your incredible equipment. The mind, whatever it conceive and believe, the mind can deliver for you. But you have to develop tremendous belief in your ability. Ability to concentrate. Ability to have self-discipline, energy, enthusiasm, personal initiative, pleasing personality and positive mental attitude, maintaining a sound physical health, learning from adversities and misfortune, and never looking back. You can too become another Tata, Birla, Mahindra. That is only my desires, to serve our motherland, Mother India, whom we love so much. And we really love such great people like Ratan Tata. He is in my heart, he is in my mind, he is in my soul. Once I requested my Gurudev, Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, Sir, Ratan Tata frequently visits Hyderabad and he stays in your Taj Krishna. If there is an opportunity, I will meet him. And this is still awaited. Thank you very much, viewers. Become another great human being. But for this you have to really do a lot of visualization, planning, hard work. Because lives of great men, rich and captive, were not attained by a sudden flight, but they, while their companions slept, were toiling upward in the night. That's the way. That's the way you have to toil. Blood, toil, tears and sweat, because you are playing a role. When you will die, then you have to realize what you have done, what is your contribution. And be ready to die any time. But as long as you live, live with your dreams, desires and ambitions to become a very force to reckon with, building in a great nation. Peace, love, prosperity, happiness, every opulence and abundance for every Indian citizen. Thank you very much. This is Fakir Yogi Virendra Yogi reporting from Hyderabad, Bibi Nagar Tennis Academy. Thank you.